Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing how to hide the profile picture on WhatsApp. So just open your WhatsApp and click on the three dots, go to the settings, click on the account option. You can see right now I don't have any profile picture, so let me add a profile picture first. Go to the gallery, share folder, and let me choose one of the pictures that I have. Click on done and click on three dots again, settings, account, privacy, and go to the profile photo section. Here it's presently showing to everyone. You can change it to my contacts and you can change it to nobody. I put nobody, and let me go to my another WhatsApp. Now you can see that this is the number. I don't have any profile picture because I cannot see any profile picture on that number. So let's switch back and open the settings again, account, privacy, profile photo. I'm going to change it to my contacts. I already saved this number in my another WhatsApp, so I should be able to see the profile picture. You can see that now I'm on that account and I can see the profile picture. So this is how you can manage the profile picture. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.